Riu ndeto ni ciumbukite ati DJ Dibul na mwendwa wake Dorea Chege could be pregnant. They could be expecting their first child. Na ndeto ici iraumbukire muthenya wa ira kuria DJ Dibul na Dorea Chege were hanging out mena Terence Creative, content creator Terence Creative and his wife Millie Chebe. Na niguo ndeto ici irakorirwo ikiumbuka. If you recall, DJ Dibul nĩarakorirwo akiproposera Dorea Chege just some few days ago on her birthday. He had surprised her on her birthday, and that's when he went down on one knee na he proposed and she said yes. Na riu ndeto ingĩ cia magegania nĩ ciumbũkĩte ati they could be expecting their first child. Na Dibul na Dorea Chege he kũndũ mararĩ studio hamwe na Terence Creative na Millie Chebe, na niho Terence Creative arakorirwo akiuria Dorea Chege na Dibul kwani is she pregnant, tondu Dibul was helping out Dorea Chege button her shirt. Na niho Terence Creative aronekana ukorwo ta a notice kaundu with Dorea Chege, and that's when he asked kwani is she pregnant. Na thutha ucio response ya Dibul kuri Terence Creative iramutiga akenete muno na agicongratulate DJ Dibul na Dorea Chege. Take a look.
Kuna mimba ama wapi?
Mimba yote nakusubiria wapi? Is it no?
Bado. Mziki tu una mixiki. You are serious man. Kuna mimba ama wapi?
Mimba yote nakusubiria wapi? Is it no?
Na otogo wake ona kuringana na reaction ya Terence Creative, na uguo aracoka gukorwo agicongratulate na kugeithia DJ Dibul in a way to congratulate him ni kuonania ati it could be they are expecting their first child, but it is not yet confirmed. Tugieterere kuona kana megukorwo magiconfirm, but in advance congratulations to them. If at all they are expecting their first baby, congratulations to them. Na ndugakiriganirwo gusubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.